Hey guys, welcome to our channel. This is Amsa. Today I am going to explain about how to create a customized windows in Revit architecture. So already I opened the Revit. In that I just make one wall. For that example, select the wall, here up to level 2. I just make one wall here. After that, go here file, then select new. In that family, go down here, we have metric windows option. Just select that, then open. Here also we need to change the units. It means what you are using in Revit project file. Same thing here. Go to 3D view. Go to the front view. Select the extrusion. Set a work plane. Pick a plane. Okay, this is my plane. After that, select the rectangular option from here to here. Then offset. Set a work plane. Pick a plane. Okay, this is my pick a plane because my window opening is here. So that's what. Select the rectangular option from this corner to opposite corner. Then we need to make the frame. For that, select the offset option. That is 2 inches is enough. Then select this lines. After that, select the trim corner option. You just select this one and this one. After that, this line and this. It means connecting the coordinates. It is not allowed to the overlap and unjoining. So it should be closed loop. Okay. Then give finish. See, it's created. Then go to realistic view. Here, realistic view. And then go to the right view because we need to adjust this one frame. So that's what. Just drag this, then drag this side. Then go to front view. Inside panel we need to create. For that, go again, create extrusion. Same thing, select this set. I think this plane is okay for me, so that's what. Okay, select the rectangular option. That is our inside panel. So inside to inside. So rotate this, then give finish. As usual, left view, drag this. This is like a panel. Okay, then give finish. After that, we need to apply the material. For that, go here, manage option. In that material, create new material. Here I just rename as 1, that is frame color. Apply, select appearance. Go here for browser. It means access browser. Here we need the wood material. So for that, I am selecting the wood. Then press enter. Select here what kind of materials you. It means default Autodesk material only. So for example, I am selecting this. Apply. Okay. Then PT shortcut paint. Select the wood color. Apply to this frame. See. Then turn this. Same thing in backwards. Okay. After that, we need to apply the panel. Same thing, I just select the glass, applied it over here. Then close this, load into project and close. It is asking, do you want the same changes to family 1? Yes. My file locations, I will give you desktop. Here that name is 1. Then save. See, our project file will be opened already. Here Windows, shortcut WN. Go to load family. In that, our file is saved at desktop. Select here 1, then open. You just place it over here. So that's it. Go to 3D view. In that, if you need anything editing, any editing on this means I'll give you in realistic view. First of all, select the window, then go to edit types options. Here duplicate, or else you can delete edit directly, because we have only one window, so no worry about duplicate. Just I'll give you 6 feet height and width will be 5 feet. Then apply. Okay, see, sill height, that should be in 1 feet, not sure, that is our necessity. Apply. So I think you got it, how to create the windows. Thank you for watching these sessions.